Hi there, do you want to make your own binary MLM website? Then this video is for you. This is our website codexbay.com. You will find the link of this website in description of this video. Now I'm gonna show you the demo of binary MLM script, and this is the script named MLM Lab. It's worth $80 for the script. To get the demo, simply click on this live preview button. Once you are here, you will be redirected to this page. Now to first we will get the admin demo. To get the admin demo, simply add /admin at the end of the URL. Once you add it, you will be redirected to the admin panel. In the admin panel dashboard, you can see all these details like total users, active users, email unverified, and like all these details. Okay, and it features a very powerful Visor Admin 5.7 admin panel, and like next page is plans page, where you can add, edit, or manage existing plans. You can add new plan named PTC. Price will be $60. BV business volume. When someone buys this plan, all of his ancestors will get this value, which will be used for matching bonus. Like if I buy this plan, my upliner will get, let's say, $10. Okay, and if I am on his right side, when his left side will also buy the same plan, then he will get the matching bonus and he'll get $20 in his withdrawable balance. Next is referral commission. You easily know referral commission, tree commission. That's simple, and submit. Once you fill details, you can submit the plan, and it should show the plan on the plans page right here. Okay, and it has user ranking feature too. You can add new user ranking, you can add its icon, its level, name, binary volume left, like how much a particular user should have, how much binary volume should he have to achieve this rank. Okay, and bonus, like how much bonus would he get after achieving this rank, right? And yeah, it's pretty much simple and easy to use. It has every single option in the admin panel. You don't have to ask us to change anything. It has like everything in the admin panel. So we're not only gonna make the website, but we'll do every setup for you, like OAuth setup. If you don't know what's OAuth setup, like there will be a button to continue with Google, and when user clicks that, they don't have to fill that form, sign up form. They'll simply get to their account but just by clicking on a button. We'll set up the SMTP for you, like when he forgets the password, there is a code coming to his email, and like that. It has like everything. Now I'm gonna show you the user panels demo. So this is how the user panels demo look like. It has total deposit, total withdraw, referral commission, total investment, binary commission, total binary volume, left BV, right business volume, total BV cut. Okay, and you can see all of paid left, paid right, free left, free right, BV left, and all these options in the dashboard. Next is plan section. Here you can see all the plans. You can subscribe, unsubscribe, upgrade, downgrade any plan anytime. Next is binary volume log, sorry, business volume log. This page shows the next is business volume log. This page shows all the history of business volume. So obviously it's new account, it's data not found. Next is my referral. This page shows all of your referrals. Obviously again it's new account, so no data. Next is tree option. Here you have two referral links, one to join on the left side of your on the left leg, and one to join a particular user on your right leg. So if you, what will happen if you have existing user on the left leg and you again send the left leg, okay, so automatically this system will add that user in the left leg of like right here, okay. Next is deposit section. This website features 34 plus automatic gateways and unlimited manual gateways. So no matter how much gateways you want to add, you can easily add. Next page is withdraw. It's simple, mobile, and you can also add unlimited withdrawal methods from the admin panel. Next is balance transfer. So this website features balance transfer between users. So if one user wants to transfer his balance from one account to another, he can easily do that. To next username will be put here and amount, and yeah, that's it. He has to submit. It will automatically get transferred to the targeted user. Next is, this website also features e-pins. Next is transactions, rankings. These are some ranking levels. Support tickets. Basically, a support ticket is like customer support. You can message the admin or support to like get your answers, or if you are facing any trouble. Next is 2FA verification. So you can use this thing to set up with Google Authenticator like we use in Binance. And next is profile section. Here you can see all your profile, upload your profile picture, and like you can edit your details. Next is change password. In the change password, you can simply change your password. And yeah, that was it. This script has every futuristic features you want to launch your own MLM website. Now, if you want to make your own website like this, simply contact us on WhatsApp. You can find our number on the bottom right of screen. You will also find our number on the description of this video. If you don't find our number anywhere or our number is powered off, simply come to our website codexbay.com, and here you can find this WhatsApp icon on the bottom right, and this number always active and it works every time, okay.